Morning students, welcome to ABN and PRR College online classes. Today we will discuss another kind of sequence which is nothing but Cauchy's sequence. In the last class we discussed about what is a convergent sequence and later we discussed about monotone sequences. They are nothing but increasing, decreasing sequences. Now we will discuss about Cauchy's sequence. Which kind of sequence is going to set a Cauchy sequence? You want to say that a sequence S and E is a Cauchy sequence if and only if for given a epsilon being a positive quantity, if we pick up a positive integer m such that after m Sp minus Sq value is very lesser than epsilon, means the terms are approaching to each other, means the difference of the terms is very negligible. That means after m there is no value in between the difference of terms of the sequence, then we can conclude that the sequence is a Cauchy sequence. The sequence is of the kind the difference between the terms of the sequence is very negligible after some m terms, then we can conclude that the sequence is a Cauchy sequence. What is the difference between convergent sequence and a Cauchy sequence? You want to say that a sequence is convergent, it is only possible in for given epsilon being a positive quantity, if we pick up positive integer m such that all terms of the sequence approaching to L after some m. This is the convergent. Then we can conclude that the sequence is converges to L. We want to pick up L, such kind of real numbers we have to pick up. But here no need to find out the value of L. Only check the difference between the terms of the sequence. That is the variation in between convergent sequence and a Cauchy sequence. Only slight difference is there. For example, if you consider 1 by n, sequence Sn is equal to 1 by n. Clearly it is a Cauchy sequence because suppose for p being lesser than q and both are positive integers, then Sp value is equal to 1 by p because Sn is equal to 1 by n, Sp value is 1. Sq value is 1 by q. Consider the difference for epsilon being any positive quantity. So let us consider the difference of these two terms, that is 1 by p minus 1 by q. Taking LCM with pq, we have q minus p. Taking outside p, then we have the value is q minus p by q. It is of the form a minus b by c. A minus b by c can be written as a by c minus b by c. Then we can write this value as 1 by p into q by q. Cancel 1 minus p by q. Now observe that by multiplying this quantity 1 by p minus p square by q. We are subtracting some value from 1 by p. So this value is obviously lesser than 1 by p. Okay. Suppose that this value is less than epsilon. Suppose the difference of these two terms is less than epsilon. Then we can easily find out m. If we choose m is equal to integral part of 1 by p is less than epsilon means p is more than 1 by epsilon. 1 by epsilon, obviously it is a positive integer such that what happens here, Sp minus Sq value is less than epsilon after p and q are greater than or equal to this m. Such possibility exists, that means we can pick up such kind of positive integer, then we can easily conclude that our sequence is a Cauchy sequence. Cauchy is an famous mathematician, so in his name the sequence is known as a Cauchy sequence. Okay. Now our theme is to prove that every Cauchy sequence, theorem 1, remember it, or first theorem is about every convergent sequence is a Cauchy sequence. ఏ కన్వర్జెంట్ సీక్వెన్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పటికీ కూడా అది Cauchy సీక్వెన్స్ అవుతుందని ప్రూవ్ చేయమంటున్నారు. For that, let us consider a convergent sequence. Sn be a convergent sequence, and suppose that this is converges to L. Then let us write the definition of convergent now. That means for given every epsilon being a positive quantity, we can pick up an integer, positive integer m, such that definition of convergence means after m the terms of the sequence approaches to L. ఆఫ్టర్ m తర్వాత ఉన్నటువంటి nలు ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ పదాలన్నీ కూడా Lని అప్రోచ్ అవుతున్నాయి అనేది ఈ కన్వర్జెంట్ డెఫినేషన్. ఓకే, సపోజ్ దట్ ఇంకా చిన్నదానికి వెళ్తుందని అనుకుందాం. ఇంకా స్మాల్ ఎప్సిలాన్ కంటే తక్కువ విలువని తీసుకుందాం అండి, ε/2 ఫర్ అవర్ కన్వీనియన్స్. ఓకే, లెట్ us కన్సిడర్ P and Q are two positive integers such that they are outside of M and Q. That means P is more than M and Q is more than M. Then from 1 మనం టర్మ్స్ని వాడుకున్నట్లయితే మీన్స్ Sn ఆఫ్టర్ m అనగానే ఇక్కడికి ఏమొస్తాయి n+1 n+2 m తర్వాత ఉన్నటువంటి పదాలన్నీ అంటున్నాం కనుక m+1 m+2 అండ్ సో ఆన్. ఈ వీటికి సంబంధించిన టర్మ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయంటే Sm+1 Sm+2 అండ్ సో ఆన్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఎలా ఉన్నాయండి, L అప్రోచ్ అవుతున్నాయి అనేది ఈక్వేషన్ 1 చెప్తుంది. మనం ఈ m+1 m+2 Sm+2 Sm+3 వీటిలో ఏదో ఒక దాన్ని మనం P ఏదో సమ్ Sm+5ని Q అని అనుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. దీన్ని అప్లై చేసినట్లయితే ఈక్వేషన్ 1 అప్లై చేసినట్లయితే మనకి ఎట్లా వస్తుందండి, దెన్ ఫ్రమ్ 1 we can write Sp minus L value is also less than ε/2 and Sq minus L value is also less than ε/2 because P and Q are after m integers. What is our claim here? We want to prove that the sequence is a Cauchy sequence. కన్వర్జెంట్ సీక్వెన్స్ని తీసుకున్నాం కనుక అది Cauchy అని చూపించాలి. Cauchy సీక్వెన్స్ అని చెప్పాలంటే ఏం చెప్పాలండి, ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఇనఫ్ టు ప్రూవ్ దట్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద టర్మ్స్ ఈజ్ వెరీ నెగ్లిజిబుల్ ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటిజర్ అని చూపిస్తే సరిపోతుంది. దానికోసం కన్సిడర్ చేయండి, లెట్ us కన్సిడర్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద టర్మ్స్ Sp minus Sq which can be written as Sp minus, I want to add subtract 1L and adding same L. That means we are adding 0. There is no change in the value Sp minus Sq. Let us grouping these values Sp minus L, commoning minus Sq minus L. Now observe this. This is of the form, how is this, modulus of x minus y. Suppose this is x and this is y. What is this value? Obviously is less than or equal to modulus of x plus modulus of y. What is x value? Sp minus L plus modulus of y. That means Sq minus L. These are the properties of real numbers. You know that. These values are from 2. We have this value is less than ε/2 and Sq minus L is also less than ε/2 after some m. That means P is more than m. We are considered here P is after m means P value is more than m and Q value is more than m. Now observe that ε/2 plus ε/2, that is nothing but 2 ε/2 overall P being after m and Q being an integer which is after m. To cancel, this value is epsilon. Now taking transitivity, left hand side value is modulus of SP minus SQ, and the right hand side relation lesser than is the least relation, so it is less than epsilon after PQ are more than M. Now observe that SP minus SQ value difference is very negligible. It is only possible whenever our sequence, given sequence is a Cauchy's sequence. So concluded that every convergent sequence, suppose you consider a convergent sequence, obviously it is a Cauchy sequence. Okay, this is one of the important theorem. Thank you.